To avoid leaving a raised lump after filling a pothole, you must control material placement and compaction so the repaired area finishes flush with the surrounding surface. Start by preparing the hole. Remove loose debris and undercut the edges so the new material keys into solid existing material. If using cold patch or hot mix, add material in thin lifts no more than 1 inch at a time and compact each lift thoroughly to avoid trapped voids that cause future heaving. When working near the final surface level, leave a slight crown no more than 1/4 inch higher than the driveway, so expected settling will bring it flush rather than depressed. Scrape away any visible excess before final tamping rather than relying on the tamper to shave the surface. Use a plate compactor for larger areas and a hand tamper for small potholes so you can control pressure and avoid displacing surrounding pavement. Finish by blending the repair edge with a stiff broom or trowel to eliminate sharp transitions and reduce visible seams. 3 common mistakes are overfilling then compacting, which pushes material up into a raised bump, compacting too little so the patch settles and is then refilled incorrectly, and failing to key the patch into stable edges, which lets traffic lift the repair. If you overfill, scrape the excess level and then compact in thin passes so the surface does not bulge. If you compact too little, remove a small amount and recompact each lift properly until the patch is stable and level with the driveway. If you do not create a solid edge, saw or cut back to sound material and rebuild the edge so the new material locks in and will not heave. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors who list services and find jobs related to driveway and smoothing repairs. And we host a discussion community where members share tips and before and after experiences. We help contractors get visibility and connect with homeowners looking for driveway leveling work so both sides can find practical solutions.